how to add about us page on Shopify. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your online store, and then you're gonna have to go to pages, and then here you're gonna have to add a new page. So simply name it about us, and if you want you can also use this generate text to basically generate whatever you want, or you can use these templates. As you can see, you have the contact us template. Now after you create this page and you add all the details, and you're gonna have to save it, then simply go to navigation, and if you want to add this to your main menu, so basically at the top of your header, simply go to main menu, then click on add menu item, then select about us, so type in about us, and then choose pages, and then select the page that you just created. And if you want to add this to footer, to the footer menu, you can do the same thing. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.